Hey, let's go check out my converted bus. Hey, welcome into my bus. Me and my wife have been converting this for almost 6 months now. And I just really wanted to give everyone a tour. Right now we are working on wiring up our lights and fans and also putting in our ceiling. Hey, so for our walls we have 1-inch XPS, which is like an insulating foam, with 1/4-inch plywood over top of it, using some self-tapping screws to put it into our frame. And for our ceiling we also have XPS with 1x2 as a frame and 1/4-inch plywood for our ceiling. So our walls are held in by self-tappers that we got from our sheet metal when we took it apart. We're also using some construction glue to hold them in, so they're quite rigid and very nice. And underneath all of our walls and our flooring and our ceiling, we have this soundproofing pads. I'm worried about going down the road and having too much sound. So we're putting this in, making sure things don't rattle too much. It makes a big difference. I would definitely recommend it. When you record videos at your parents and you have lots of siblings. Here we have our fan. It's just a Amazon special fan. It is 6-speed and it can reverse, so you can use it as an intake or an exhaust fan. Check that link down below. I also have a video of it. Make sure to check out my channel and subscribe. Now for our kitchen cabinets, we used a kickstand for our cabinets to sit on top of. It's a little bit more rigid and it keeps everything nice and straight. This is our kitchen area. The stove is going to be right here in front of this window. The cab is just right here. This is the front seat. And then our sink is going to go right here. And this is where the refrigerator is going to go.